Hello everyone, this is Slug Lunatic Broski here. I'm coming to you live from my best friend's house. I'm right down the road from Valdosta. I've just been informed that this hurricane that's coming through tomorrow is a Category 3, which is a pretty stout hurricane. My dad told me about it. So you better charge up all your phones and make sure they're all charged up with some good battery, because better be ready to have the power go out. But yeah, what the heck? Oh shoot, this is on record. Okay, I need to quit. Yeah, this hurricane is not no laughing matter. Stay safe and stay indoors. Most likely, stay dry. Okay, this is Slug Lunatic Broski. Have a safe day. Have a safe day, and be safe. Too sweet.